Hello, welcome back to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I will tell you what is recursive. Okay. Suppose here I will tell you what is recursive. Recursive means what? Now the function which called itself. That is called recursive. Okay. That means the function which called itself is called recursive. Okay, the function which called itself is called recursive. So, one example of a recursive function is, suppose here you have written main, then again inside if you write another main function, okay, that is called recursive. That means this main call itself to the main, and main again it will be the calling function and again call to this main. Okay, so this is called recursive. Recursive means what? The function which called itself is called recursive. Then recursive has two parts. Suppose here I have written function. Okay, recursive has two parts. First is base case, second is repeated case. Okay, so in between you can find here is written else part. Okay, so in base class it display the solution. It tell the solution. So here you can find where we can achieve. Achievement of our solution. Okay, here is the best case where we achievement of the solution. That means here is no repeatedly call the function. So here it is a repeated case. Repeated case means what? That means here you can know that function in this line call itself or repeated. That is called repeated case. Okay, so here now suppose here I will give one example. Suppose this is called write a program to add the number or sum of series. Find the number sum of series by using recursive. Okay, so here I will write the program. You just watch. Okay. So gedit recursive .c. Okay, so here write has include io.h int. I'll directly define the function int add int x. Okay, so here what is the base case? Base case is what? If x equals to 1, okay, then it is the written one. That means it is the base case. It is found the solution. Solution is what? If x equals 1, then your solution is finished. Your repeatedly part is finished. You can return the 1. Else, what will write? Else you can write return, okay, x plus, okay, add x minus 1. That is called my process. Then I will close this. Okay, so here I will declare the main function. Okay, so inside main, suppose int p is equal to 5. Okay, then int sum is equal to add p. So here printf %d, okay, /n sum. Okay, then bracket close. then I will save this, close this. Okay, then this is the dot slash 8 dot out 15. Then I will understand you how this will be executed. Okay, so when my program will be executed, first p equals to 5. That means what is the value of a p? P is the 5. Now what will happen here? That means it is a call by value, so value will be copy p5 to the x. Okay, that means your value will be copied x. So x means 5, so here x is the 5. And is this true? No, it is not true. So before that I want to tell you, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you already subscribed, then comment, like and share. Okay, so I will tell you, if x equal 1, that means this condition is false. That means it does not return the 1. It comes to the else part. So this line will be executed. Then what will write here? Okay, that means add 5. That means here is the 5. Then add 5. What it will return? Either return this line or return this line. Actually this condition is false. X, that is 5 equals to 1, it is false. So this line will be returned. Then what is the value of 5? Here is the 5. Then what will write? It returns, okay, 5 plus add. What is the value? Same also 5, x5, 5 minus 1, 4. That means 5 minus 1, okay. That means 5 minus 1 means what? What is the value? It is the 4. Okay. Then that means this 5 is called to add 4 value. Again add 4 will be replaced here. Okay. Then what is the add 4 value? Here write. Okay. Add 4 value is equal to 4 plus add, okay, then write the 3. Okay, you will write 4 plus add 3, because if this value is 4, then this is false, so it does not return 1, it returns, okay, 4 plus add 4 minus 1, that means 3. Okay, the same as add 3, what will be return the value is equal to 3 plus add 2. Okay, then add 2, what it will return the value is equal to 2 plus add 1. Okay, then add 1, what it returns the value? It returns, that means this is the add 1, 1 is equals to 1, that means it returns the 1. That means it comes to the base case and this will be the final solution. That means it returns the 1, it does not continue. Okay, here it will stop. So what is the function of add 1? 1. Okay, that means this add 1 value is 1. Then here I have written add 1, that means this 1 will be replaced here. So what will the value of this add 1? 1. That means 2 plus 1, 3. Then what is the value of add 2? 3. The add 2 value will be replaced here, that means here you can find the 3. Then 3 plus 3, what is the add 3 value? 6. That means add 3 value 6 will be replaced here. 6 plus 4, 10. What is add 4 value? 10. Then here you can find 10 will be replaced here. Okay, that means 5. Okay, this is the what? Now your add the number by using recursive. Again I will same program, I will be suppose do the factorial. Okay, then how to write the factorial? Again I will be create a new file. Okay, and I will be just again create a new file, and for factorial I will create fact. Okay, so what will we write the program? Here write same int, okay, hash include stdio.h int main int suppose here write, don't write this, you that write, okay, int fact. I will pass the value, suppose int x, okay, here write if x equals to 1, okay, then return 1. Else what will write? Return fact is equal to fact into, okay, fact x minus 1, okay, fact x minus 1. Return, sorry, fact into, not fact, we will write x into fact x minus 1, okay. Then same here declare x or k is equal to 5, okay. So here write the int f is equal to, okay, what to write here? Fact k, okay. Then printf, okay, percentile d, okay, f. So here I will run this program. Control S, save, close, okay. So this is it. So I have missing the bracket. So here you will be put one bracket, okay. Then close this. Then save. Then will compile. /edit out. Okay, edit it. Then again I will tell you how it has happened. So what to write here? Will be write, okay, suppose fact. What is the fact? 5 value. Because I have here passed a 5. It is a fact 5. Then 5 will be copy here. You know what is the fact 5 value? And 5 is not equal to 1, so it doesn't return this value, so it will return this. Okay, then what is return? Fact 5, okay, is equal to 5 into, okay, fact 5 minus 1. Here the 5 minus 1. That means, okay, it will return the 4. Okay, same as fact 4. Fact 4 is equal to, okay, 4 into fact 3. Okay, then fact 3, what is the value? Is equal to 3 into fact 2. Okay, then fact 2 is equal to, okay, 2 into fact 1. Okay, then fact 1 is equal to, okay, so this is the value. You remember fact 1 means it is the true, it returns 1, this is the base class, it will not be repeated again function, it is only repeated the function. So in fact 1, what is the fact 1 value? 1. 1 is the value of fact 1 function. Then fact 1 will be replaced here, that means 1 will be replaced here. Okay, 21, 2. So fact 2 is 2, then here will be value 2, fact 2 value 2 into 6, 6. Then fact 3 value is 6, so 6 it will be replaced here. Okay, that means 24. Then 24 will be replaced here. Okay, this is the 24, you will write it 24. Oh, so I think that you have understood. If you understand, then you subscribe my channel. If you already subscribed, then comment, so that it will motivate me to give you new video every day. Okay, bye, thank you.